Okay, students, welcome to RE Geography channel. RE Geography Learning. This is Ilangovan. This channel is helping to 10th standard student for their improving their social science studies, especially in during the lockdown period. Now we are going to discuss the short question answer from climate and natural vegetation of India. This is a lesson, second lesson we are all discussed already. First 7 question answer. Now we are going to discuss 8th, 9th, and 10th, 11th questions. We have 4. We are going to discuss 4 question answer. First of all, state the places of mangrove forest in India. State the places of mangrove forest in India. This is very important question and answer. Mangrove forest in India. What is the question? Where the mangrove forest is situated? That is question. State the places of mangrove forest in India. The mangrove or tidal forest occur around the delta and the estuaries. That is the question. That is the answer. First, we have taken 3 points. First point is mangrove or tidal forest occur around delta or estuaries. Usually, that delta or mangrove forest or occur along the seashore area. Because of this area, this forest or occur usually around the deltas or estuaries. Especially that Ganga, Ganga and Brahmaputra has the largest tidal forest. You know, this second point, the delta of Ganga and Brahmaputra has the largest tidal forest. And third point, the delta of Mahanadi, Godavari and Krishna rivers are known for mangrove forests. The first point, mangrove or tidal forest occur around deltas or estuaries. You know very well delta. The delta is a Greek word. Delta is a landforms. It is found in the low-lying area of where the river meet with the ocean. And so estuaries is also landforms. The landforms found where the mouth of river meet with the ocean or lakes or any other water bodies. The delta of Ganga and Brahmaputra has largest tidal forest. You know which is the largest tidal forest in India? Ganga and Brahmaputra has the largest tidal forest because Ganga is the largest river in India and Brahmaputra is one of the largest river. In these two rivers are meet at West Bengal. It make a largest deltaic region, Sundarban Delta. That is the very largest delta in India. The delta of Mahanadi and Godavari and the Krishna rivers are known for the mangrove forest. You know, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, in these 3 rivers are flowing in South India. Mahanadi is one of the very bigger river, and Godavari river is the longest river in South India. You know very well. And the Krishna rivers it supply the water in Andhra Pradesh. Rivers are known for mangrove forest. So these 3 points are very important key point for this question. And next we are going to discuss the name the trees of tropical evergreen forest. The tropical evergreen forest. Name the trees of tropical evergreen forest. You know the tropical evergreen forests are found where the rainfall is more than 200 centimeter rainfall, or where which are the places are abundantly or trementally rainfall occur. That places is adapted for growing evergreen forest. And green, every forest, the full forest area covered with the green luxurious forest. So tropical evergreen forests are found in the area with 200 centimeters of more annual rainfall. You know very well that is which are the places are receives more rainfall in India. I told you yesterday that is in northeastern states and west coastal area. In these areas are receive more than 200 centimeters of annual rainfall. In the area is well suitable place for growing tropical evergreen forest. And you know very well that usually that the rain is measured by rain gauge. Rain gauge is an instrument used for measure rain. So which are the places are receive more than 200 centimeters of annual rainfall? in the areas adapted for growing the tropical evergreen forest. The most important trees of the mangrove forest are the rubber. Rubber in Elastica ficus. Ficus elastica is a botanical name of rubber. The rubber are majorly used for making the various rubber items and as well as that various things. And mahogany, ebony, rosewood, coconut, bamboo, cinchona, candy, balm, ironwood, and cedar. And these are all major trees, important trees that is growing in the evergreen forest area. The most important trees are the rubber, mahogany, ebony, rosewood, coconut, bamboo, cinchona. Cinchona is a very important trees because of cinchona is majorly used for making medicine for their stomach problems and as well as many problems are we can treat taking treatment through this medicine. So in this name the trees of tropical evergreen forest, you can write these 2 points. And third important question, write any 5 biosphere reserve in India. Write any 5 biosphere reserve in India. Already the Tamil Nadu, Indian government established, already Indian government established more than 18 biosphere reserve in India. Just only I am writing only the 5 biosphere reserve. If you like any other biosphere reserve, you can write. But now I am taking only the easy, very important and easy biosphere reserve in India. Great Nicobar. It is situated in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman Nicobar Island is one of the archipelagos, belongs to India. It is lies in Bay of Bengal Sea. The Gulf of Mannar. It is situated in Tamil Nadu. Gulf of Mannar is a biosphere reserve and biosphere marine reserve. It is situated between Tamil Nadu and Talimannar in Sri Lanka. And Kutch, it is situated in Gujarat state. And Gulf of Kutch is very important, The Manas Biosphere Reserve is one of the very important biosphere reserve. It is situated in Assam state. Sundarban in West Bengal. Sundarban, I told you, Sundarban is one of the very largest mangrove forest in India. It is, it is a Royal Bengal tiger is our national animal. It is only situated, only found in Sundarban forest. It's one of the largest delta in the world also. So in these 5 are very important biosphere reserve. Again I tell you, Great Nicobar, Andaman and Nicobar biosphere reserve, Gulf of Mannar biosphere reserve in Tamil Nadu, Kutch in Gujarat state, and Manas, so one of the very important in Assam, Sundarban in West Bengal. So next we come to the last question. What is the project of tiger? Project Tiger, very important question. Project Tiger. The Project Tiger was launched in April 1973. Why the government of India implemented this project? The project implemented April 1973 under the Indira Gandhi, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi tenure. The Project Tiger was implemented in April 1973. Why the government of India established this project? Main aim of this project to conserve the tiger population. Mainly, that is 1973, the Wildlife Protection Act was implemented by the government of India for the purpose of protect the animal from the poaching and illegal hunting, and as well as for protecting the animal in their wild area. The Project Tiger was launched in 1973. The aim of this project to conserve the tiger population, specifically tiger reserve in India. Many tiger reserves were already implemented by the government of India, especially Gir forest, the Sundarban forest, various forests were implemented. Due to the implementation of the project, after the implementation of the project, and the result of this project is increasing tiger population over 60% in 1973. The project implemented in 1973. After 6 years back, that is what is the result of this implementation of this project? Tiger population rises or increases more than 60%, over 60% in 1979. Thank you very much.